Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. Let's jump in because I have not a lot of time left, you know, because LOL, I gotta go to work. I always do this, you know. Oh, let me see. I'm a wax specialist now. What y'all gotta say about that, man? When I first finished school, that's what I originally wanted to do. I wanted to wax, but things didn't work out as planned like I wanted it to. So, you know, of course I did the facials first and makeup. But you know, being an esthetician, that's not all I do. You know, I work with skin. I also do waxing. I do lash applications. I can do, what else can I do? I can do tattooing, makeup tattooing that's permanent, like microblading. But I know I kind of just jumped into this, but this is my look that I'm gonna have for the day. This eyebrow is so funky today, it's ridiculous. Like, I've went over it so many times and it's still thick. Why are you still thick, right? Shoot, my booty need to be thicker. Anyway, so really I'm just doing a soft glam today. Not like the last, well, not like the natural beat that I did before, but more of, you know, like I'm still doing eyeshadow, but I'm probably not gonna do a liner today because that's pushing it. And like we said before, my eyelids be tripping, so we're just gonna set these bad boys because they like to crease up on me. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, because I do. Thank you very much. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, so it's not gonna be too you know, random. Thank the alert. 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 Okay, so we're gonna go on with my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay and go on with this orange. I'm thinking I want to stick more with an orange crease today. It's summery, it's pretty, it's vibrant, so we'll just start off with that one. Just build. And you know, I kind of just, well, not kind of, this was maybe like a year now, where I got into doing my face makeup first and then my eye makeup, because although it's probably still the same amount of time, it seems like it's a little bit quicker for me. So that's why I do that. I can do that. It don't matter because I'll buy me some more. Today's just one of them days, like, I didn't know what to do with my hair. It was not acting right. It was not cooperating. I said, sis, what you want? What you want me to do? So, yeah, this bad boy just put under there. I'm probably going to do a wrap today because fuck them kids. Excuse my language. Okay, got the crease sort of kind of done. I'm going to add in punk. I'm going to add that in my crease. And you'll just kind of, and when I cut out my crease, I most likely will add some more of that brown in. So just keep blending in the outer corner of your eye, drag that into your crease, and if you need to add just a little bit more, you can. Same thing with the next eye. And make sure you keep it in that crease, okay? So now that I'm gonna cut out my crease, we're gonna use the Cover FX concealer. All you need is a dollop. You don't need to use the whole freaking bottle. Okay, and make a mark. Look up, and that's where your crease is gonna start, okay? Okay, so I bought these new Miss Lashes from the MUA project. They're awesome. All right, go there because you will spend your whole check, like I said before. And we're gonna go in with my James Charles palette. Yes, I still use my James Charles palette, okay? So if you got something to say, I don't care. We're gonna go in with this top color. Let's see. Wow, okay. We're gonna go in with this color. You're gonna see what it looks like on my eyelid because apparently it wants to play me and not show on camera. I'm really sick of this. And since we already have the eyelid done, well, since I got the color that I wanted, I'm leaving a little corner undone so that I can add in my dark brown and my orange. And then just, you know, pat it in. Because with these kind of colors, they're kind of chalky, kind of. And it'd be looking like you missed a spot when really you're just kind of brushing the color away somewhat. To stretch out your eyelid, raise your eyebrows so that you can get all up in there. Song is stuck in my head and I want to listen to it much better. Okay, so got that part done. Now we're gonna go back in with our Born to Run palette. We're gonna go back in with the brush that had the brown, okay? We're gonna put that in that corner and just brush it in there. So now that we have our brown in our corner, I'm gonna go in with the orange that I did in my crease and kind of just ombre that into the brown that I got going on. We're building the color as we go. You don't have to do it right away, just don't know if y'all see the motion that I'm doing it in, but I'm kind of just going in circular motion, but like that. Same with this eye, and just build that in. More blending, just so it doesn't look, you know. I call it stale. I don't like that. So we're gonna go with stale, okay? That's my word for it. We don't wanna look stale. But this is what this looks like. And I said I wasn't gonna do eyeliner, but we are. I'm not doing a wing. So that eye look is almost finished. We still gotta do the lashes. Where the eyeliner keeps getting higher and higher. Why? Well, my eyeliner got thicker than I wanted it to, but you know, that happens. That's probably what the look required today. So we're gonna go in with my Benefit They're Real mascara and just go over my lashes just a little bit. We're gonna go in with my M218 lashes by Miss Lashes. This is what they look like. Jesus be with us, please. I'm gonna put these on and then I'm gonna be right back. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Let me be still so y'all can see. So yeah, I went ahead and did my lip gloss. Of course, y'all know my favorite combo. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee. This is in the lip gloss. And now I've been using brown in the lip liner. This is NYX. Best combo ever. Like, I just love it. I love it so much. But thanks you guys for tuning into my video. I do need to start getting ready for work. It's only 1:30, probably 1:40 now. But yes. So this was more of like a 30-minute eye look, okay? Because the face, I don't know how much time that was, but it takes patience, okay? Don't be hard on yourself. Work hard. Just work hard, okay? Know that I am offering makeup applications for $55. I am doing makeup lessons for $50. If you let me do your makeup on YouTube as a tutorial, it's gonna be $45. So kind of see it as like a discount maybe. I look really good. I need to start doing this more often. But thanks guys for tuning in, and you will see my next video in maybe the next couple of days or maybe a week. Still working on my schedule, trying to see what days work better for me. Alrighty guys, peace out, love you guys, positivity, love, all that good stuff.